All right, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my retail business. My wife and I started this with our daughter, our youngest daughter. It's an anime store. You can see the different products, the Funko Pops, and like you can see all of this stuff here. But yeah, the store is one thing. You can see the books and all. Like it's a lot of stuff in here. The store is one thing. It's kind of turned into where first it was an investment to make money, but then it came to where it was a way that me and my wife actually helped to give back. This is where the different kids, they can come in and play, not always on their computers and all that stuff. They play the card games against each other. There's some of the vending stuff. There was a company that brought that in, which you kind of having a little bit of some disputes with, but you know it is what it is. But this is the channel. My channel is about men being men, and one of the things that I'm proud that I was able to do because of my tenacity to build my other companies is when my daughter turned 18 years old, she had a choice if she wanted to go to college or if she, or she could start a business. That was just the way that me and my wife did it. We gave them those choices, and she said she wanted to start a business. I didn't know nothing really about this stuff. I knew that we were buying her this type of stuff when she was growing up. She was reading the books. We'd always go to Barnes and Nobles and read she was getting those books and stuff that you read from back to front. And so we were like, okay, we'll invest. We thought it was just going to be something short. It turns out that this store now, I think, is going on 14 years. It's a long time. 14-year business has done very well. For myself, I've been paid over the last 14 years for myself, money for myself, because I don't really do anything here other than on Fridays, which is the day that my wife and daughter work the store. But sometimes our grandchildren are here, and I'll be the babysitter. We have a section where I'm the babysitter. I got 4 grandsons, so that's my day with them if I'm not going to see them anytime over the weekend. But the big thing is that you just never know what you're going to be able to do. So if you're procrastinating and you have children and you're procrastinating building your business, you're procrastinating doing things. I never knew that starting my company in 1990, building other successful businesses, that at one point it would come to where one of my children would ask to invest in a business. And just think, I mean, like, I know it's hard for you to think about it right now, but just think, what if I didn't have the money to invest? Because I don't want to have my daughter start something and be in debt. Not to say that business loans are bad. I'm just saying, for something that you don't know if it's gonna work, you would just be like, okay, I'm gonna invest the money, and the money didn't hurt me to invest it. I think to start everything was probably about $15,000, somewhere around that, or maybe a little bit more or a little bit less. But that's not the point. The point is that if you build yourself up business wise, you build your money up, and then later your children, there's going to be some things that they're going to maybe want to do, and by you being able to participate with them in that's going to be one of those things that they really look at and remember. Like, it's crazy. We think that the things that we do for our children that we pick to do are the things that they're going to remember, and it's almost the opposite. It's the things that they care about the most, and they come to you for help to help them try to do it. Those are really the things that they're going to remember you doing for them. I mean, it's not fair. It's not fair. Trust me. There's things where I've done stuff and be like, man, you didn't even take that into account. That's just what it's going to be like being the man of the household, the man of the family. Remember, I told you in the other video, you got to pat yourself on the back. But the things that you do, that they ask you to do to help them do, and you come through, those are the things that they're going to remember you for. All right, I just want to give you a quick tour of the store. We got some games over here. Sometimes I play the Galaga or the Miss Pac-Man. All right, Comment below. Tell me what you're going through and experiencing trying to build your business. This is Stephen A. Williams with Making Money with Stephen A. Williams here on YouTube.